Dheeraj Lal Hirachand Ambani, popularly known as Dhirubhai Ambani, lived between 28th of December 1932 to 6th of July 2002. He was a successful Indian business tycoon and the founder of Reliance Industries. Posthumously, he was honored by Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award for his contribution in trade and industry. Belonging to a simple middle class family, he started his journey just at the age of 17 as a clerk in Athens for the A. Bezos and Company. There he learned the skills of business and accounting. However, in 1958, he returned back to his home country and started his own trading in spices, calling his venture the Reliance Commercial Corporation. His policy in business was to offer highest quality products by accepting small profits than his competitors. The business grew too well in less time. Soon in 1966, Ambani launched his first Reliance textile mill. Slowly, petrochemicals, plastic, and power generation plants also became a part of Reliance, making it a very huge company. He was a man credited for the vision and the objective of the oil to textile, to retail, to telecom industry. It was under his leadership that Reliance became the first few companies which got listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. As Dhirubhai Ambani laid the foundation of the mega enterprise, we have got a lot to learn from him. Let's take a quick glance at the most important life and business strategies by Dhirubhai Ambani. Only when you dream it, you can do it. Think big, think fast, think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. Our dream have to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitment deeper, and our efforts greater. This is my dream for Reliance and for India. We cannot change our rulers, but we can change the way they rule us. Challenge negative forces with hope, self confidence, and conviction. I believe that ambition and initiative will ultimately triumph. True entrepreneurship comes only from risk taking. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks. Better keep biscuits and move on. For those who dare to dream, there's a whole world to win. Often people think opportunity is a matter of luck. I believe opportunities are all around us. Some seize it, others stand and let it pass by. The success of the youth entrepreneur will be the key to India's transformation in the new millennium. You have to take the calculated risk to earn something. Meeting the deadlines is not good enough. Beating the deadlines is my expectations. If you work with determination and with perfection, success will follow. Pursue your goals even in the face of difficulties and convert adversities into opportunities. Don't give up. Courage is my conviction. Between my past, the present, and the future, there is one common factor: relationship and trust. This is the foundation of our growth. You do not require an invitation to make profits. Give the youth a proper environment, motivate them, extend them the support they need. Each one of them has infinite source of energy. They will deliver. Play on the frontiers of technology. Be ahead of the tomorrows. I consider myself a pathfinder. I have been excavating the jungle and making the road for others to walk. I like to be the first in everything I do. Secret of my success was to have ambition and know minds of men. My commitment is to produce at the cheapest price and the best quality. I am deaf to the word no.